Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fiers Femme, and we're now here for part 2. In this video, we are going to be doing a purple look. It is one of the trends for 2021. Purple is the color of the year. And I believe I have something purple on my channel, but not something recently. I believe it's when I first started my YouTube journey, when I wasn't really that consistent. So this time around, we're gonna pull a purple out, and I'm gonna do a whole look on a purple swag. Okay, so if you want to see how I get this look, definitely stay tuned to see me transform. And yeah, I might take a little bit of dolphinness from my last video on my skin, but yeah, let's get into it. Definitely subscribe, like, share if you like what you see and you like the content that's coming out. Help your girl, those thumbs up and share so I can have more people viewing. All right, let's get into it. I bought this a while ago, but it's a L'Oreal Paris Infallible L'Oreal Paris Infallible Paints eyeshadow, and this is the shady Violet, and it has 2 colors of purple. So what I'm going to do is use the lighter one as like a base before I put my eyeshadow on. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to be using is the James Charles palette. We're going to use this a lot on this channel, because on my channel, because it has like lots of colors, so why not? Let's utilize it, right? On the clear sheet. But we have a couple of purples here we could choose from. We have that, and this, but I'm not going for the sprinkle look. I'm going for more matte look, so we're going to stick between that one and this one. My dog is here, I'm crying and asleep. So we're gonna start off with this and then make our way into the dark purple when we need it. Now I'm gonna go into this lovely undertone of red, but it is a form of purple. So I'm gonna put that like right in the corner and drag it towards the middle where my pupil is, just to give it different hues of purple. The third color, which is the dark purple. Okay, so we're gonna go on with this, and I'm just gonna use my finger to put it right in the middle right here. When love comes in, then I'm gonna take my blending brush with some dark on it, and I'm going right over that hue of pink I just wanted it to come through the makeup, not all the way be, you know, the focal point. The focal point here is keeping it purple. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do before we move on to my foundation is my inspiration photo comes from Tessa Thompson and whoever did her makeup that day. So Tessa Thompson has a foil type of look on her eyes, so we're gonna use this right here, this lovely foil purple. I call them foil purples, metallic, whatever you want to call it. I'm just dipping my hands in there. I'm gonna glide it over my eyes on the lower half. Again, it's just an inspo photo, so mine is gonna look different than hers. Blend some of this out right here. If you've been on my channel or you go through some of my videos, you see that I don't really like harsh lines at all. So always the key to doing makeup or eyeshadow the best is just like blending. Blending is your best friend, you know. You could always fix anything, but you should always make sure it's blended. So now I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back from washing my hands, and the three colors, well, the four colors that we use in the James Charles palette is Artistry, Love That, Escape, and Single. And I will do my best to try to put it on the side so that you can follow along. I'm gonna try some new things with my makeup videos. So I have these rags that I bought up for Amazon. I will link them in the description box below. I like these because, first of all, they're the softest cloth. They're not going to tug and pull at your skin. I use them to wipe off my makeup, hence why it's still stained. But honestly, it's one of the best rags. Muslim cloth, so. guys, so this is the final look. I'm hoping that my lighting doesn't make this look shitty because it's actually really pretty. Yes, I am going to take some shots and I'll insert them for you guys so you can see how editorial this is. Really pretty. And I myself feel like purple is always a look. But this is 2021's color, eyeshadow color of the year. So yeah. So if you like this look, definitely hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment with any other color you want me to try. I'm getting inspired to do a lot more colors that I haven't done in a while. On a daily though, I have my everyday looks that I do, but this is definitely something I could do for a date night or just like a photo shoot or something. You know, summer is coming up and I want to have some looks, you know what I mean, some looks. So yeah, leave me a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with your friends, and yeah, have a great day.